One, two, three. Field day!
Welcome back to Plentiful Family Stories, where we share our family stories with you. As a homeschooling family, we find it really important to try to keep up with some of the traditional aspects of in-person school, and field day is no exception.
This is how our field day went.
What's your name? Shiloh. Casey, you ready to play?
Okay, I can make that happen.
Right.
And then I moved here, and I like to do tug of war.
My strength, fast running, agility, stamina.
Tug of war
Tug.
is
Hey, Levi.
basketball.
Who's gonna be my team captain?
Let's see how many people are in each group.
No.
Find a parent athlete to come over here.
Little.
Want to keep them even with the.
Yeah.
So we separated the kids into 3 teams. They gave themselves team names and started chanting them. And then we started with the games. The first one was the potato sack race. That one's actually my favorite.
I'm good at this game. I will helping my team. Win it. We win it.
Shiloh, get your bag. Take your bag. Shiloh, give him. Go. We gotta go. Go. Wait. All right, go. Give. Go.
Run! Woo!
Go. Ah! Go.
All right, ready?
Go. Oh.